Hi, my name is Charity Mitchell. The company that I'm working for works together with the community members to empower the community to make the community a place that they want to live in and what they envision their community to look like. So there's a lot of active participation within the community. The community members are involved in the community advisory committee. They work side by side with the local government, and they partner with other programs within the city of Hagerstown. The programs are, they have after school, before school, and summer programs for the children. And in the elementary school that is there, they have opened a acute clinic to help increase in children going to school, decrease the absences that they were having. They've seen some success there. They also offer a family triage thing that's more along the lines of case management. So there's a lot of really, without being able to tell you the company, there's a lot of really amazing things that this company may be able to do in the community. I'm most excited about working in the school with the children. I really love working with kids and helping build their toolbox, so giving them the social skills and things like that. I really look forward to doing some of that. Some of the stuff I am concerned is the family triage is definitely case management. That's something I'm super comfortable with, so it would be really easy for me to kind of just slip in there and just do that because that's in my comfort zone. What I'm hoping to do is be able to step out of my comfort zone a little bit and learn new things. So I'm looking forward to see what comes with this internship. I kind of was able to hit the ground running this week, so I look forward to seeing what kind of really great things we will be doing and seeing what this company does in the future. Look forward to seeing all of you. Have a great day.